Guys, so this is a second box that came from Sephora, but it came next day, so I didn't want to do a separate video from unboxing, but I'm just gonna kind of dig into this and I'm gonna show you everything that I got. So there's some of the items, or most of the items I would say, they were on my wish list for some time, and I really wanted to try them for the longest time, but I did not want to pay full prices because some of the items are just very pricey. Anyway, let's start. So this was a Clinique set from Moisture Surge. They're all deluxe sizes. So this one has Moisture Surge 72-hour replenishing hydrating cream. I've used this before and it's amazing. It would be, I have a combination oily skin and it works wonderful for me. It has this like smoothing, hydrating effect for your skin. It looks gorgeous under makeup, so I strongly recommend for people like with oily skin, or I think somebody who has a drier skin that would also like this. Then this Moisture Surge face spray I have not tried, but I've been wanting to try it, so I'm kind of excited to try this, and I will update you guys how this goes. And then the Chubby Stick, it's like a highlighting product, so I haven't tried it either. So I like a lot of different things from Clinique, both skincare and cosmetic, like colorful products, so I will update you guys on this one. So then I have a few products here from Too Faced. So I do have this peach lip balm, and it's very moisturizing. Let me open the container here. Let's see. It's so cute. The packaging is so freaking cute. Look how cute this is. I opened this earlier, so kind of got crooked there, but this is plastic, and then the lid is kind of like metal, but it's so pretty. And the lip balm is like pink. I haven't tested it yet, but I'm very excited. I love lip products, so I'm hoping this would work, and I heard good things about this. So then another product from Too Faced was this Peach Perfect Mattifying Loose Setting Powder. I heard a lot of people talk about it, that this is just a really, really good powder. It does have a peach scent to it, but to be honest with you, now that in Florida it's been so humid and so hot that my makeup just literally melts. So if this works, it works. I don't care if it's a little bit scented. So I will also be trying this. Let's open this and see how the packaging is. Oh my god, so cute. Adorable. Adorable. I'll update you guys on that. Let's dig further. So I got 2 pairs of Anastasia Beverly Hills lashes. This one is just in style So Hollywood. They're a little more dramatic. I can see that there's like a little thicker band, so they will probably look very dramatic. Like I can see using that for maybe like a holiday or some sort, with eyeliner or like a smoky eye. That would probably look really beautiful. And the other style is in style Eleganza, and this is a much thinner clear band. So this is just kind of something, the style that I like. So I will try them on and I will let you guys know how they perform. Okay, the next item I've been also eyeing for a while. This is vegan milk cleanser from Milk Makeup, and I heard good things about it. That's why I kind of picked it up. This is a trial size. Cute, really cute packaging. I heard really good things about it. 2 ounces. Okay. So I will try this and I'll update you guys. I know the full size is pretty pricey, so this I believe was like $15, and I think since it was a sale I got it for even less than that, so I think I got a good deal on it. So I got a few smaller things here. I got something more from Clinique. This is a Beyond Perfecting Super Concealer. I do, like I mentioned earlier, I do like complexion products from Clinique. I owe a lot and I love them all. They just never disappoint me, and this is something that I haven't tried yet, so I will be trying it and I will update you guys. I got it in the shade 02 Very Fair. We'll see how this goes. Then another product, this one is obviously deluxe size. It's a Super Defense City Block. SPF 50, so I will be honest with you, I have tried this already. I digged into the box and I could not wait This stuff is amazing. I'm probably going to be buying a full size of this. I will talk about it more specifically later, but this product is amazing. I'm definitely getting a full size of this SPF. Another product from Clinique. I got this mascara extensions, visible extensions slash powder mascara, long wearing formula. I've never tried a Clinique mascara before, so this would be my first, and I know some of them are good, some of them are not, so I'll give it a shot. I'm not sure if it's a small size or not, but it's very small. Look, you guys, like it's like a size of my finger almost. So I don't know, we'll try it, I'll let you know. Sorry, I'm like literally inside of my box. So this blush I've been wanting, I know it's not a new product at all. I've been wanting to get this blush for so long, and I've been always wanting for a deal because I do own a lot of blushes, but I love blush. I use it every single day. And this is in the shade Peachy Love. You guys, I have to open this for you. Oh god, I'm obsessed with this. This is kind of like the peachy one, and I've been wanted to have this trio for so long. It's an expensive one blush, but I do love this peachy tones, especially for summer. I cannot wait to dig into this. This last product, guys. Last product. You exactly know what this is. Oh my god, I've been wanting to have this since it launched, and I'm so excited. I do love Huda Beauty formula. I owe pretty much, if not all, large palettes from her, and I was wanting to try this one or have this one since it launched. I'm obsessed. This is such a gorgeous palette. Are you kidding me? Just look at this. Oh my god. I cannot wait to dig into this. Create as many looks as I could. I'll probably do a separate post on multiple looks in one palette. Unbelievable. I know her shimmer formula is amazing. So yeah, this is it. The packaging is obviously fantastic. It's plastic. So I guess it's just like something new that she started doing because her previous packaging was kind of like a cardboard. This is this whole entire pile. Which product you like me to review first, or something if you've tried anything, give me your feedback. You know, which products of these you've tried and you love or you don't love. So I would like to hear that. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.